Haibauza donangbu ikai kumnabaga loinana nungsi chanana sanabiyu tournament asi haubadagi roi phawa mipum kuding makna cooperation PBU haina aroi bada thamjage masi wahai ama ani khakta haizaraka aswai da thengjelage. So I wish you all the participant teams all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your valuable thoughts with us. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now again witness a scintillating performance from a beautiful young and talented singer, Miss Silent Liu Kamai, Zilangrom Film Forum Manipur artist. You may now come and take the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all give a big round of applause for Miss Silent Liu Kamai. Ladies and gentlemen, one of our guests of honor, Madam Srimati Pooja Ilangbam, IASDC Bisnupur District, has also reached our venue. We would like to extend our warmest welcome to you, Madam.
Hello. Hi. Swantang kan melu de hegi apa mai ke se king daulo me swandaro ba mi swan hang to nge lubu nai de salo de ni the upcoming project ho sadina tadba me the pat ma ge ki e salo da glo inde Diêm mấy nắng hay hầu gai yang em full beautiful God the tuang make em tia tanang roi full peace lawe full mun khang suang hầu gai mấy nắng nghe đoàn gì này đoàn bát vui cái thuê cái gì liang nghe you are my number one I resent
Hello, check. Xuân Chui Chang dinge Miss Silent Liu ka mai FM artist. Mai goi na ban pa dai na hilo dako. And now it is our privilege and honor to invite our chief guest, Sri Thangjam Arun Kumar, Honorable MLA 15 Wangkai AC, to share his thoughts and encouragement with us.
Chief guest on speech pound not plan on way the ground ko jail on the bammo. Chief guest on speech loy pound not plan on way the jail on the ground ko bam ko kan request of dong.
Good afternoon, everyone. Laibaki irang leibadagi chahi ani lepuraba matung ngasi amuk Ishwarna thawjan bibadagi taramari suba Jadonang Memorial Football Tournament 2025 sinba ngamme aduga ngasi chathagadriba tournament asi tek takaidana aduga yamna mapung phaba yamna mahi yanba adugumba tournament ama hoinaba ahan mamaktada ishorgi mafamda aina thaunijari amasung mai pakpa tournament ama hoin bisnu haiba wafam asi ahan boina thamjari loina nangasi taramari suba Jadonang Memorial Football Tournament 2025 Haudopagi Thoramda Ngasigi Chief Host Soina Lengson Biriba Sri Ningang Nungangmai is retired Honorable Chairman Hilera Committee and MLA 50 Nungma SC Han Mamakta Kai Kumno Cheri Loinana Ngasigi Function President Noina Lengson Biriba Mingwene Panjarabada Siri G. Aguilung President Tailoring Football Association Ikai Kumnu Ucheri Loinana Guest of Honor in Lengson Biriba Srimati Hana Kamai ISDC Thobal District Srimati Pujaya Langbam ISDC Bishnupur District Dr. Mayang Mambeto Singh MCS Director Yas Manipur Amadi Angam Kamai IPS IGP Amasi Vice President Rajun Golmai Ikai Kumnuchari Duga Maruina Mang the Lengson Biriba Jerong Football Association Gi Official Sings Amasung Maruina and the Ki Tournament Nasida Participate to Biriba Participating teams Kudimak Amasung Players Sing Official Sings Aduga Ngasigi Thoram Masibu Cobres Biriba Media Gisinau Sing Aduga Tongan Bazagadi Langbi Raktuna Ngasigi Sigumba Football Tournament Nasibu Haudok Pada Saruk Yabiriba Kaipunamak Aikai Kumnu Ucheri Jadonang Memorial Football Tournament Ekoina Football Tournament Ama Ubayade Masi Da Dugumki Achauba Message Piva Adugumba Tournament Amani and Nose Maramdi Adungai Aikoi Bulum Simbira Baiko Gitamakta Natraka Mazati Gitamakta Magi Puruki the Makta Dumba Tawai Kat Kraba Magi Puruki the Makta Hanmalaitana British Ke Maikaida British Ke Mayokta Lantangnaram Labadumba Hypo Jadonang Giming the Tauba Adumba Hypo Jadonang na Kanjaram Magi Waka Londuda Nasiki Tournament Nasi Pangtokpani Adungasiki Tournament Nasi Adukimatik Yamna meaningful Loiba to Tournament Amani Masiki Tournament Nasina Pidiba message football Katang promote Tonabanate Adungai youth Maruina Hypo Jadonang Kanjaramba Mareba Punung Sijaramba Marebakidam Takatoklamba Marebakidamaka Ning Dam Panaba Honoramba Adumagi Wakalondo Chinanaba Nasika Hogal Kliba Youth Singa Pinanaba Maduki message to Panganaba Adumba Pangtopa Tournament Amani and Lauze Adunangasi Sanabigidoriba Youth Singasu मसीगे वाखलोन सिदा यूनिटी अखोगी मरक्ता अमगा अमगा सपोर्ट तौमिनबा अमसुंग यामना डिसिप्लिन लेबा मौंगदा सानबिनबा आइगी माइकेदगी सोय अपील तौजरी अदुगा याम मरुइना फुटबॉल हाइबा मसाना सिदी हौजिक इंटरनेशनल की ख्वाइदगी मरुइना पॉपुलर ओइबा दुम गेम अमनी मसीगी मसाना सि सानदबा अदुम कंट्री अमत लेते इंडिया दसु याम कन्ना फुटबॉल की प्रमोशन से लाई अदुगा कोई मरुइना मणिपुर फुटबॉल के लमदा दुगे मतिक यामना ममिंग लेबा दुगुम स्टेट अमनी इंडिया के ओइनसु मसिदगी अदुगुम नेशनल के लेवल दा कोई प्लेयर मयाम अमा पुथोक्तना पुथोखरबा अमसुंग ngasisu पुथोक्तना लागलिबा दुगुम्बा लमदम अमनी फुटबॉल अदुगे मतिक पॉपुलर ओइ मणिपुर की सानरोय कया ngasi की इंडिया की टीम दा यावरी इंडिया की इंटरनेशनल टीम दा कोई मणिपुरी मचा मयाम अमा यावरी नुपी की टीम दसु मणिपुरी मचा मयाम अमा यावरी अदुना फुटबॉल हाइबसिदी अखोई लमदम सिगा यामना चानबा अदुमा मसाना अमा होय अदु मसी सानबा कांदा अखोइना याम एम्बिशन अमगा यामना वाखलोन अमगा प्रोफेशनल लाइन चलगा चन्ननबा लंबी सानगे हारबसु फुटबॉल हारिबा मसाना सि सानबा यारबा दुमा गेम अमनी मसी अदुगे मतिक यामना पॉपुलर ओइबा गेम अमनी मसीना अखोइगे अंगांगसिंगदा यामना चानबा दुमा अखोइगे अंगांगसिंगसि मसागेसु टैलेंट लेबा अंगांगसिंग ओइबनिना लेबिरिबा क्लबसिंग नत्रगा लेबिरिबा ऑर्गेनाइजेशनसिंगना मखोइबु खरम प्रमोट तौबा कांदा हेक्ता अखोइ माइ पाकपा ngami अदुना याम फजना सिगुम्बा टूर्नामेंट अमा सिनबीदना खोटपीदना अंगांगसिंग टैलेंट लेबा अंगांगसिंग हन तौबीदना मसिदगे अफबा प्लेयरसिंग पुथोकपीदना अमसुंग मैखोइदा फजबा अदुगुम्बा हाइपो जादोंना पीबिम मेसेज सितो पीरकांदा ममा लेबा पुसु नुंगसिजबा मरिन जेंसुल हेनबा अदुगे मथक्ता अमगा अमगी मरक्ता यूनिटी सु लैनबा होनबीबा अदुगा मरेबा किदमतसु कथोकपा ngamba अदुगे फुटबॉल की स्पिरिट साना खोनब की स्पिरिट डिसिप्लिन लेना सानबा सानरोय अमा होइनबा मसा मु फबा दुगा फबा सिटीजन अमा होइनबा अदुगुम मेसेज पीबा टूर्नामेंट अमनी अदुना आइना ngasiगी हौरकलिबा यूथ सिंगदा मरुइना ngasiगी पार्टिसिपेटिंग टीम सिंगदा आइना हाइन जाइनिंगबसे करिनोइना पिजनिंगबा मेसेज हारगदी अदुंgai की यूथ एकोइना कनानो आइना खनब कांदा अखोइगे दुंबा हाइपो जादो नांग मतम यूथ मागे तेलबा पुंसीदा चही 19 की पुंसी अजिदा माना कथोंबा माना तौरम मयामदो अखोइना ngasi ningsing कांदा मागुम्बा दुगुम्बा यामना थौना फबा मरेबा पुनुसीबा मरमदम नुसीजबा मागे फुरु पुनुसीजबा अखोइगे मरक्ता अमगा मगे मरक्ता यूनिटी लेना होना जरम्बा अदु ममागे वाखलोंदो अखोइना ngasi तमगा ngasi के फुटबॉल के फील्ड जिदा अदुगुम्बगी यूनिटी की अदुगुम्बगी मरिनजेन लेबगी अदुगुम्बी थौनादो अखोइ उथोक्सी हाइबा मेसेज अमसो पिजरी अदुगी मथक्ता ngasi जेलरंग फुटबॉल एसोसिएशन ना पांगथोगिबा लौरिबा थौदांग असिसो आगी माइकेदगी याम एप्रिशिएट तौजै सुमना पांगथोगिबा टूर्नामेंट असिदा जेलरंग फुटबॉल एसोसिएशन लौरिबा थौदांग असिसो दुगी मतिक चावी आगी माइकेदगिसु आगी दुगी मतिक आई एप्रिशिएट तौई आगी माइकेदगिसु बेस्ट विशेष पिजरी अदुगा यामना नुंगाइगदबा फुटबॉल मैच ngakतनी एंदगी टूर्नामेंट सिसि आइखोइ अंगांगसिंग सि यामना टैलेंट लेबना तोंगान तोंगानबा अदुगुम्बा यामना नुंगाइबा फुटबॉल मैच ngakतनी ngasi सानागदोरिबा ओपनिंग मैच गाइडिंग जम GYA अमसुंग रगाइलोंग 11R 11 हाइरिबा टीम मनी सिसु अदुम ममांगी अदुगुम्बा डिफेंडिंग चैंपियन होइगिबा अदुगा चैंपियन होइगिबा अदुगुम्बा टीम ngakतनी टीम मनी सि अमना ngasiगी जिबोस होइबिरिबा आगी नाउ दिपुगी टीम दगा जगह अदुगा ngasiगी अमसुम नाकंदा राइट साइड ता लेरिबसिना आगी केंद्रगी रगाइलोंग टीमनी अदु टीम मनी सि याम फजना साननी आगी साइड दगी आई टीम मनी दसु आई बेस्ट विशेष पिजरी अदुबो आई हेदुना खितंग दे सानबाइजदी आई दुना खितंग काहनिंग खोनलिंगबदी दुम फावदबदी नते दुम फावबगी वाखलोनसो दुम लेगनी अदुना आइखोय अदुबो सानबगी स्पिरिट सिदा आई अनि टीम मनी मक्ता आईगे साइड दगी एज अ चीफ गेस्ट होइना आई बेस्ट विशेष पिजरी अदुगा रिमेनिंग ngasi मक टूर्नामेंट सिदा सानदरगसु टूर्नामेंट सिदा पार्टिसिपेट तौबिरिबा टीम खुदी मक्ता आईगे साइड दगी आई बेस्ट विशेष पिजरी अखोई मैम पुन्ना सिगुम्बा फजरबा टूर्नामेंट असि अखोई पुन्ना ईश्वरगी मफमदा खोइनमगा माइ पांगनबा होनमिनसि अदुगा आईगे साइडगी ngasi लेजरिबा मैम पुनमक्ता आई बेस्ट विशेष पिजरी लॉन्ग लिव जेलरंग फुटबॉल एसोसिएशन लॉन्ग लिव जेलरंग थैंक यू सो मच
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words and for gracing this occasion with your presence. Now let us welcome another talented performer from Zalangron Film Forum, Manipur, Mr. Matthew Huam Kamay, for another special performance.
participating team ko ay pa ina thong ko eh ano pa ina beer sunin sulaw ding thay all the best gallery ko godong bam da godu khang ano ko thai patong thay thank you all the teams
chik hello chik mấy quên ta gai meeting sung kaloi dana atawarin swallow ni milu tho zeleng rong akhana dei te milu swallow kong the track please chik dân lên đồng ma họ khát na de rong mây ra khát na de nếu hậu tu ma sang khát na de chặt gút thao mặt thiêu mai ninh tha su quỳ ram tai tăng giải phu ni thế dân lên đồng mai họ khát na de rong mây ra họ khát na de nếu hậu tu mai sang khát na de đất cút thao mặt thiêu mai định tha su quỳ ram tai tăng giải phu ni thế hãy phô ri nào đọc phật cái này anh yêu cần đi này khát mù za tuan năng ri nào đọc phật cái này định tha su na lung phu đi kun cả thủy cả gang bầm mê na cơ mây ram sát ruộng đi thiên su na tật cướp thâu cần đi sâm siêu si mây bất đích thế nếu bùi cần đi thì hãy ngang thao thô sân lính đinh na in súng mây khâu mắt nim lần na tật cướp thâu khăng thân các quầy duy hu na tật cướp thâu xoang phai tay dài khao lần na Sam na nun su na tat bam mai rifian akhat su na tat bam mai panluk tali mai su na tat bam mai niu kan di ta ka siam thao tho xoang bam the niu kan di na ga mai ram hay pau ri na ta wat ka nei an niu kan di nai khat bu za tuan nang ri na ta wat ka nei ning tha su na lung pu di di kun ka thui ka gang ba me na ga mai ram ruộng vì phiền su na tất cốt thâu cần đi sắp siêu si mày bắt đích thế nếu bùi cần đi thì hãy ngạc thâu thâu sân lính đinh na in súng mây khâu man nim là na tất cốt thâu khắp tất các quầy đuôi hu na tất cốt thâu xoang thay thay dài thâu là na Sam na nun su na tat bam mai Rifian akhat su na tat bam mai Palup tali mai su na tat bam mai Liu kan di ta ka siam thao tho Swang bam the liu kan di Na ka mai ra Wik sam di
Thank you.
Thank you. That was indeed a wonderful performance. A big round of applause for Mr. Matthew Huam Kamai. Ladies and gentlemen, now I request the two teams, Gaidim Zhang, GYA and Ragailong 11 to kindly line up for the introduction round. Ragailong team, Khani Gaidim Zhang team, Rina line up Sulau Khang Tithaye. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and all our incredible fans, we are here for today's highly anticipated match between Gaidim Zhang ZYA and Ragailong 11. For that, it is my pleasure to invite our dignitaries onto the pitch to meet the players. I request all our respected guests and dignitaries
technical committee technical committee amadi ngasi center referee the necessary verification blessing da chathaba loiragadi blessing do khoi referee center referee na punna putorakani ado introduction of players ground da dignitary singa unabi matam no laigani maram aduna ngasi ge opening ceremony sida thengnagadaba team ani duna ngasi ge play thokadaba player sing aduna sanbi duna ready to be nabigi damakta hangan jabane akhoi ge ngasi ge tournament ge ball boy yamna thongna pharaba ball boy moi sanbi duna stand by de lebiyo ball boy thongna pharaba ball boy leibane aduna su isa sa ge mafamda stand by de leibina ba khangan jare mayamda harau bege paujen amakak tamjege ngasi 14 Jadonang Memorial Football Tournament 2025 ke opening ceremony sida chief guest oina lengsin biriba ikai khumdajariba ming oina panjarbada Sri Thangjam Arun Kumar Honorable MLA 15 Wangkai AC Mhagna rupees 50,000 lupa lising yangkai se tournament gi sigi damakta pitok tun mayamna ahoba khobak kubisi Honorable Chief Guest na organizing committee ke damakta rupees 50,000 assessment adunalai. Thank you, sir.
Gaidim Zhang Young Association. The first 11 players of Gaidim Zhang Young Association. I would like to read out the names. K. Alex Lamkang, jersey number 14. Lan Puthai Gang Mai, jersey number 1. Lan Chung Rai Pa Mai, jersey number 2. Lan Chung Pau Ka Mai, jersey number 4. Tri Ngam Pau Ka Mai, jersey number 7. Gai Swang Mai Ka Mai, jersey number 10. Gani Ngam Malang Mai, jersey number 12. Nailangam Pa Mai, jersey number 19. Thai Ngam Pau Gang Mai, jersey number 20. Tingkau Chun Gang Mai, jersey number 21. Gairan Pau Riam Mai, jersey number 24. Zian Mai Chung Malang Mai, jersey number 22. These are the 11 players of Gaidim Zhang Young Association for today's match. Ragailong Soccer 11, the players are Sahil Chauhan, jersey number 6. Fizam Vikas Singh, jersey number 11. Kamay Pantiga, jersey number 1. Gang Mai Lansailung, jersey number 2. Wilung Bao Thiu Mai, jersey number 3. Gaidim Lung Kamay, jersey number 4. Lanzuan Lung Gang Mai, jersey number 8. Michael Gang Mai, jersey number 10. CH Kachalakbo, jersey number 13. Disingam Gang Mai, jersey number 14. Chunjang Lungpu Gang Mai, jersey number 16. These are the 11 players of Ragailong Soccer 11. And the panel of referees for today's match. Center referee is K. Brozan. Assistant referee, line number 1, V.A. Lawrence. Assistant referee, line number 2, K.H. Sanathoy. Fourth official referee, R.K. Ranjan. Match commissioner cum referee in charge, L. Ibohal Meite.
Tao announce rồi có mày first 11 say tung player nuôi tại dễ lòng na mi đồng bằng cầu bằng nào có đúc hàng inform suy. First 11 players hojik announce so kiba sanaroi sing dona mafam sida announcing board asida lengsin bira u sida center referee na puthok pira kani ground phawba dugi damakta announce so kiba player list ta announce so kiba sing dona
Asai gong bom gai mai Matthew na khao latbam khana ti thai lo da ni ye Football Club Reng Dai FCR Rilang mai lucky draw hai November 1st 2025 venue Mezorkul Community Hall Tingzin Kwang Padai kai pigan khau tat kai pani mai khang tai rue gwang lawam gai mai gwe narina Sangkwam lau mai khani support sumai suna new tong stadium tong tagut ni mai tong gate khau hai ticket hai nai na bame mai gwe rena support su lau na la lau khang jang hoi ye khani mai tong lucky draw hai kani rina I league khau participate su ta ni mai tong fundraise khang football club Reng Dai rina leng lawa mai tong the kum na kani tong Aniu tuang ziliang rong pui tuang club akhat na mai nai ba mai tuang club ti hai mai goi ni ri chang kom lo na khani in zian mai tai lia lo mai suna mai tuang ticket hai la lo khang mai Matthew mai khau ti thai mai tuang the thon ku the
Game rong pa tu tak? Ragai Long FC. Gai Dim Zang. FC. Gai Dim Zang Young Association. Yarba. Kong khat makai ni. ISTV network ni ko live to. Yare ko. Ataw hai luan runa padai tang mai jado nang football tournament tong match hai hau puni the Ragai Luang Youth Club khani Gaidim Zeng Young Association kuma kabam khobam mai goi rina zawlo nu e live ko chungin chung television khani ISTV network infal ko live pa da bam ni mai goi na zaw cham lo ko
kanai tong 11 players gwai tai kaluk khau gulau khang ti thai na bame Gaidim Zang khani Ragai Luang tong team tong 11 players line up kalung khau gut su lau khang ti thai na bame tong the
abuka ko luan runa padai tang mai jado nang football memorial tong tournament hai ataw hai khwa khat makai kai ta hau puni the mai goi na zawlo ni mai goi rina chungin chung television ko live ti bam puni khani ISTV network infal ko live hai ko ma zawlo nu pune
Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the two teams for the opening match. Gaidim Zhang, ZYA and Ragai Long 11. A proud moment for every athlete and a testament to the hard work and dedication that has led them here today. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to invite our dignitaries onto the pitch to meet all the players. I request all our respected guests to come down to the pitch to meet the players. Ladies and gentlemen, each handshake is a sign of respect and camaraderie. I request the technical team to kindly lower the volume. Thank you to all our respected guests for gracing us with your presence. Your support and enthusiasm set the perfect tone for the incredible matches that are about to unfold during this tournament. Ladies and gentlemen, we are prepared for the first match. The players are now ready. The stage is set and the energy in the stadium is electric. Let's get ready for the unforgettable match. To begin the match, I request our chief guest to do the honor of performing the ceremonial kickoff. I request our chief guest, Sri Thangjam Arun Kumar, Honorable MLA 15 Wangkai AC, to kindly do the honor of performing the ceremonial kickoff. Thank you, sir. The ball is officially in play. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. The first match of the 14th Jadwanong Memorial Football Tournament 2025 has officially begun. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The first match is between Gaidim Zang ZYA and Ragai Luang 11. Thank you all for joining us today. Have a great time ahead. Thank you.
Hurry up, Ragalong. Hurry up, Ragalong, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Got it? Dah lagi Ran. Belum ya dulu. Guide. Ball back. Hai. Tengah. Ale. Oh, belum keluar apa? Belum. Sikit. Kurang dia. Salah. Naon lepas. Kena dia, bos. Kena dia. Quick! ดิให้ปุ้มหนาให้ปุ้มกันจุกได้แล้วจุกได้กระดับบอกหัวฟรีตีตีแล้วฟรีตีตีแล้วฟรีเจเล่ชมนี่โง่จังหวะอะไรเสียแล้วyes
醒开，小人物！
醒来，这了有。来，别告诉我 ，very good， game ready。你把门带，你。来，张安怒。来 game ready， 别告诉我 game ready， 跟关注我。呀，行，放点，我。Ganti belum sambung ini. Belum dah. Kena kaido. Kenapa mandi dong? Ya. Ayo kami ya. Wajar. Kira. Bisa ya, Bos.
Tinggi naik, Rep.
Siap, jauh. Siap. Oke.
Gerak.
Belum. Hei, konsentrasi! Belum! Konsentrasi semua itu Pina! Diam. Squeeze! Kurang. Hoti kan lah.
Bol dulu tak boleh. Hey guys. Malu. Hey guys.
Hai di sini tadi, kamu mau kan buat sini. Willow. One side. Willow, ball ni dia. One side, langsung right. Hoi. Belum. Bawa tadi ni deh. Konsentrasi sama atas. Konsentrasi. Pino ne! Hai! Lalo! Let's go right! Got it. Cái này không có sao mà. Alex, go! Got it. Carlo. Got it now, game got it now, Balu. Chip. Right. Hey, second goal. Got it. Cùng chứ nào. Ôi, mình nói nhiều, Balu mình nói nó xử lý gì. Vô. Nó mà cút hú đâu. Balu cút làm cái đấy nào. Press. Đó thu lại thôi. Đi. Kakio. Mình đi. Vai. Cái chia nào. Thông gì hay thế nào? Mới là tìm hơi thật kỳ hay thế. Dạ, tìm cái đi sai. Tìm cái đi sai. Thôi Nico. Botol dah kot. Nah, ada tadi. Saya. Sudah. Saya gerak. Koin kena ini. Oh, cip apa? Halo. Kanan. Halo. Ini main thầy khó. Sama chẳng đi đâu. Cái nó ở trên bên mình nâng anh nói gì mà cái gì phun cho quay ra rồi mà cái không phun thôi anh thôi Right di kandang dia.
Rồi đi Mike.
Gadi. Kenduan suka. Kamu, gadi. Kenduan suka.
Là chưa Nam ơi. Mẹ cho ngồi.
Buruan. Perlu kan kakak dua. Perlu tengah bau. Ya, perlu kan dua. Alexia, lupa. 친구도 끝이다. 뺑받고. Yes. Tinggal bau. Hadi bau di sini nang bau do. Hei, tinggal bau terus, tinggal bau nangkai terus, tinggal bau dua, tinggal bau dah. Yes. Konadina. Maju. Belum. Kita sah. Sahih. Kita sah. Hai, jangan jauh. Concentrate. Gerak, start senang hai. Gerak. Ya, belum. Sahih. Ganai chiến đấu thế. Đá vòng.
Hello. Hojik first half ki matungda lagi score. Gadimjang Young Association 1, Ragailong Sokai 11-0, GYA 1, RS 11-0. First half how we goal score condition. Half time the mayam di damakta entertainment amakhat kumjari. Let us welcome Mr. Parhai Kohensam dan Shamari, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ YouTube ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯔ Mr. Parhai Kuhensham Damsham Maring ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ YouTube ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯅꯤ. Let us welcome Mr. Parhai Kuhensham Damsham Maring.
Announcement kana tilawniye Yamaha scooty tuang ki akhat hai football zau hangwang mai gan kha tuang kathing lokan the chumai tuang hai sagwang na bame kuma thaukum marina khoi thau lo pitong nai thai ani tuang report announcement booth kha gwang na reports lo khang ti thai Yamaha scooty tuang ki akhat man kan mai tai thaukum marina haulo mai nai thai announcing booth kha gwang na tilaw khang jang hoye thon ku the
ngakta ngai khbe ko ba ai fan mayam yauri nina wahai amadi khatang haijaram ge ai rongmai lon so haijarak tre tam jarak tre ngasi je adudana si sport se nungai bra nungai ta bra haibitang hangge ta wone nungai bra tege jagoi sana ba guest khara ko tharaga jagoi sage haye adudana
ai koi gi singer ko handsome brother ko handsome na isai sa ingai sida koi gi respected guest oina mathak ta phambi riba sing kauthok chege Madam Hana Kamai ISDC Thoubal district magi party magi colleagues mayam amasung ai koi gi Sir Sri Dingang Lungang mai Sir Sri Thangjam Arun Kumar Daisa Pambiri by Kwegi respected guesting na makada kumaga dance isa isa ingay sida jagoy sabi na ba Kauthok Cherry
web to adu isai je rongmai version da saksira kamai tausira rongmai version se yam thuna aina release tawna ba hona jaragani ada ngasi gide prepare tawjaraktre aduduna sina phani sina nuai okay hoje akhoi di jagoi haudore som sai ki jagoi sabada yaudoira yauroidoira yauning draba male akhoi som gi khatang sarage ko adude
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯛꯄꯗ శ్రీమతి ꯍꯥꯅꯥ ꯀꯥꯃꯩ ISDC ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯂꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯗꯤꯒꯅꯤꯇꯔꯤꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯒꯅꯤ
Ziliangrong Film Forum tong artist nun trainee kumna panagazao lo kang kithaye I request the artists from the Ziliangrong Film Forum to join the dance Ziliangrong Film Forum tong artist nun trainee guang na kazao lo kang kumati thai na ba me Ziliangrong Film Forum tong artist nun goi teroy Trek to Thabinaba Ningsing Zeri from the technical team.
Manipuri Londa dum sage ko.
Jalerong Film Forum, Jalerong Film Forum no artist nuai jene please, Jalerong Film Forum no artist nuai da. Tuna nuai jene please request to join.
Yengli makai pa
Jalerong Film Forum to
tamgi lai sa suwate Yengli makai pa
Nanon kadai sudah kailo. Tagayo lam phang
Singi lai sa na heli re Yengli makai pa tamgi lai sa suwate ko Yengli makai pa jare Nakhoi ni gi jagoi uraga ai su yau ning le Nakhoi ni gi jagoi lagda haita manja ai su inare nangi khong thang inna nu jana tum tan thanaina Nakhoi ni gi jagoi lagda haita manja ai su inare nangi khong thang inna nu jana tum tan thanaina Puna samina seko Loi haning deng asinu mi Jagoi sathe pena sajkhiye Ngan biraro thajanang su Nuja mai thong pena yeng jakhiye Lai sabi mayam pichi khalak pa yawi kamai tau siro Lam dam tam na lai khabang su nung ti la ke na natada tam biraro aina hai tri phao sathe ado tam biraro Lam dam tam na lai khabang su nung ti la ke na natada tam biraro aina hai tri phao Sathe ado tam biraro Loi hanik deng asinu mi Jagoi sathe pena sajkhiye Ngan biraro thajanang su Nuja mai tho pena yeng jakhiye Pa mujai thadok lam dawa Karam hai na halase ye Lung siwa hai dona hai biro Nan han khina ba Lai sabi u da loi thagat kre ko Ba mujai ne thaduk lam dawa Karam hai na halase ye Lung siwa hai dona hai biro Sak na han khina ba Loi haning deng asinu mi Jagoi sathe pena sajkhiye Ngan biraro thajanang su Nuja mai tho
पेना येंजखिगे लोइहन्निंगे ngasinume जगोई साथेक पेना साजखिगे Ngandiraro thajangransu Nuja mai tho pena yengjangige Nuja mai tho pena yengjangige Thank you, thank you.
Yamna. Mayam ke kubak ahuwa matang kubishe. Thank you. Koi ki sagnai raba singer brother Mr. Kuhensam Dangsha. Nagna mafam sida pajawai say lanbiduna. Koi ki dignitaries amadi Jaleno Film Forum amadi Pazarwal Shabi Singh Nasu. Pajawai Shabi Keba Kuding Makpushu Tagachari. Thank you. Thank you all. First half के goal position Gadimjang Young Association GYA 1 Ragailong Soccer 11 RS 11 nil
Today, we feature Akash Banerjee, an Indian journalist and political commentator, delivering a thought-provoking debate at the Oxford Union Society in 2024. He challenges the idea that India's future hinges on a single leader by examining economic figures, historical context, and democratic standards. In this speech, you'll learn key phrases, analyze persuasive techniques, and practice your listening skills to level up your English fluency.
Thank you, sir, for that amazing electoral speech. It was almost as if I'm going to press a button right now and vote Modi out of power. It was very ironical that you spent, 25 minutes talking about the danger that India faces. And at the end of your speech, you land up saying is Modi's aura is on the wane. If it's on the wane, then what's the problem? Why are you so scared if it's on the wane? But the debate till now has progressed as a ChatGPT research. One side coming and saying, oh, after 2014, everything is absolutely spick and span. India is shining. On the other side, after 2014, everything has gone down. That's the level that we have seen till now. I hope with Prashant sir, the level goes up beyond this. But I hope that the opposition comes up with better arguments, because at this point of time, there is nothing but statistics. And as a school debater will tell you, that you don't rely your entire speech on just statistics. Because even a class 8 debater will tell you there are three kinds of lies: white lies, black lies, and statistics. So I'm going to stay away from overburdening this audience with just statistics. We're going to talk about India a little bit, and a little less about Modi. That seems to be an obsessive angle here. We are forgetting what is bigger, India or Modi. So there are two basic points in this debate topic. Modi's India, we'll get to that in a bit. And where is India going? Is it going in the right direction or not? You have a very simple job: to prove to this house that it is going in the wrong direction, not that it is making mistakes. Are you trying to tell me the Congress never made mistakes? Are you trying to tell me the CPM never made mistakes? What are we talking about here? You're counting down mistakes. Are we here to just count good things versus bad things? Let's go a little beyond that. India is bigger than that. You know, look at England from India. Okay, I'm going to give you the Indian perspective. If you switch on, broadcast and watch the headlines, what do you see? Oh, Brexit. Oh, Boris. Oh, cost of living. Oh, England is going down. It's a pretty gloomy picture. So I thought, really? Things are that bad? Are they going to start taxing us again? Teen guna lagan? You guys... But it's not funny. You guys took the Kohinoor, and now you're charging us how much? How much did I pay that day? 32 pounds to watch and have a look at the Kohinoor and the other crown jewels, and then 6 pounds for a fake Kohinoor. I bought it actually. Anyways. But when I was doing a little bit of research, I see the other side. And when I lived in London for the last 1 week, I saw a buzzing metropolis. I saw buildings going up. I didn't see a country in decline or collapse. And I also realized that average people, are driving around in Beamers and Mercs because, well, guess what? We might have beaten you guys in overall GDP, and trust me, it's a celebration point in India. Good, we should celebrate. But when it comes down to per capita, and that's the finer point, you guys are sitting at $45,000, and we are sitting at 2,300. We are competing with Bangladesh. So there is, of course, a problem. And I am just trying to tell you that let's go beyond this headline. And after 2014, this was good, this was bad, this was good. The debate can extend for the full night. Now let's stretch our imagination and answer this question to me, sirs. At what point of time was India in the right direction? Which decade was India in the right direction? 1950s? When everybody was talking about balkanization, this house would have debated Is India going to become another Europe? Is there going to be Balkanization? 1960s, if we were going to have this debate in this house, we would have said, is India going to starve? Because, well, there was famine all around. In the 70s, we would have said, has democracy finished in India? Because there was one lady called Indira Gandhi came and imposed emergency. Well, she was thrashed after that very soon and reduced to the footnotes in history. Besides landing at the Indira Gandhi International Airport, we don't hear too much about Indira Gandhi. A lady at one point of time was India is Indra, Indra is India, something that we often sort of hear today. Then let's come to the 1980s, when there was economic collapse, literally, Hindu rate of growth. Then the 90s, when there was political upheaval and coalition governments falling. Then there was 2000s, where there was terrorism all over the place. And yes, there is a problem of communal politics, I admit. I'm not going to shy away. I am going to admit to the fact that yes, there is a problem of communal politics. And that has been harvested by politicians. And that is what politicians do. They harvest issues. And maybe in another 10 years, if I'm lucky enough to be invited again to this August House, we might be debating something on the environment because, well, we are sitting on a time bomb. 56 of the most polluted cities in India out of 100 belong to India. So first and foremost, let's change this mindset that we are in a wrong direction, because we are not. There is never a right direction, a wrong direction. India is larger than one person trying to set the country in one direction. India has always stammered, stopped, hopped, jumped, but there is never a great leap. We are not China. We will take our time. It's an elephant. Remember, guys? It'll take its own time. We are a behemoth. There are issues that we are facing, but we are still on the right track. And I am not going to sit here and count the numerous economic angles to this, how we are a bright spot while the rest of the world is staring at recession. England barely missing recession, Germany getting into recession. And as a matter of fact, even the World Bank has been saying is that not only overall GDP, but per capita GDP, India is the largest, fastest growing large economy. So as far as the economy is concerned, there are issues, there is concern, but we are much better off than the rest of the world. So let's take the economy aside. Everybody is in a worse off state than us. Then, besides us having losses and having wins, let's come to another point which I find very interesting. We are upheld to this standard of democracy. I, on my channel, scream day in and day out that we need to be better. Agreed. But who am I competing with? Whose standard of democracy you want us to live up to? UK? You guys had the Magna Carta in 1215, if I'm not wrong. And then King Charles I was hiding in Oxford, then he was dragged out and then beheaded in 16th century or whatever. You guys took centuries to get your Democratic Act right. And even now, well, let's not get into what's happening at this point of time. But I am just saying, look at 75, 80 years. Was England a good practicing democracy after Magna Carta, 16th century, 17th century, 18th century? When? How much time did it take you? Let's take USA. 1776. And then 70, 80, 90 years down the line, civil war, ripped apart the nation. Everything had to start anew, and even then you had the Jim Crows, etc., etc. I am not saying India is perfect. I am admitting to the lots of flaws that India has at this point of time. What I am trying to tell you is that a democracy will not leapfrog, or one person can't hold back such a massive country that had been set on a path in 1947. And to say that one person can decide the destiny of this nation is to do injustice to the country called India. Over drinks. The point that is very, very important for us to understand is that one person may try, and we've had a dictator who tried but failed. Allow me to elaborate on this point a little bit. I know this is a little counterintuitive, but let me explain. If you see 2019 election results in India, because today